My name is Dr. Daniel Raff, and I am here with Team 31 to tell you about Clin Action, using LLMs to distill clinical actions from medical notes. As a family doctor, my day concludes with over 20 unstructured documents such as letters from specialists or radiology reports in my EMR inbox. These letters often contain critical actions for me embedded in the text. Beyond reading, implementing these actions takes several minutes per letter, over 30 minutes daily. This inefficiency risks not just burnout, but patient safety. For instance, while covering for a colleague, I met a prostate cancer survivor with new back pain. Hidden within his medical records was a letter containing his critical blood test instructions, which unfortunately had been overlooked. It's hardly surprising given the current workflow. Decoding the letter, transcribing it to the patient's chart, creating lab orders, and then tasking staff to schedule appointments or email the patient myself. Imagine all these tasks condensed into a single click. Not only is this achievable, it's an absolute game changer for healthcare efficiency and safety. And this is exactly where Clin Action comes in. By parsing through documents to identify clinical actions, then generating these actions for the provider's approval. When that schedule button is pushed, integrations with the EMR will complete these manual steps from the previous slide, saving time and reducing errors. Let's see a demo of our model in action. First here, I will be uploading a sample document and getting our model to analyze. As you can see, our model has parsed through the text and structured the clinical action. And when that button is pressed with EMR integration, it will pass it along to automate the creation of a lab order and task staff to generate an appointment.
PCPs represent a large segment of clinicians in the US and Canada with 228K and 93K physicians respectively. 50 and 90% of them in US and Canada respectively run small practices, and we conservatively estimate reaching 10% of them. With a small fee of $30 per month, this represents an annual revenue opportunity of 60 to 70 million. Our business model will also incur some costs for building the product, which is R&D. Variable costs will include sales, marketing, and usage of LLM. EMR integration costs should go down quickly as we tackle more and more EMRs. There are competitors potentially out there, including large EMRs who may introduce their own solutions. However, we are not targeting that market. There may be other startups who are building summarization solutions, but they're not focused on clinical actions. Finally, there may be document software which can build capabilities like these, but we are building a solution which is document agnostic. We have a strong team led by Daniel Raff, who is a primary care physician with first-hand experience of the problem that we're trying to solve. Together, we have deep medical knowledge and extensive experience in data science and health tech with an understanding of commercial challenges in this space.